Today guys, I show you how to get 007 First Light on your PC. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your Steam today like me and make sure you create account and log in on your account. After you do that, you will see on main page 007 First Light now available. Just click on this game and you will see its brand new game. Scroll here down and you will see 007 First Light Standard Edition. You can also claim Deluxe Edition. Just go here add to cart, you will see this window, go here view my card and go here continue to payment. After you do that, you will see here payment method, just choose PayPal or credit card. After you do that, just go here continue and click here PayPal logo. Log in on your PayPal account and you will get game in library. And that's it all guys for this cool video how to get 007 First Light brand new game on your PC. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.